We'll guide you through how to connect a monitor to a MacBook. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, and let's get into this. I'm going to connect this monitor here to my Mac. So the first thing that's important to know is that you may need an adapter. On the newer Macs, they've actually got an HDMI port built in. As you can see here, we have got an HDMI port here. So if your monitor has an HDMI port as well, then all you need is an HDMI cable and we can go and make the connection. However, if you've got an older Mac which doesn't go and have an HDMI output, then what you're going to need is to go and use the USB-C. And with a USB-C, you can go and get an adapter. So that could be USB-C to HDMI, USB-C to VGA, or whatever video output you want to go and use. And make sure that your monitor has the same output which you're getting the adapter for. So for example, my monitor is HDMI, so that's fine. But if your monitor is only VGA, then make sure you get a USB-C to VGA or whatever connection you want to go and use. So now I know that, all I need to do is go and grab the HDMI cable, plug one end into the monitor and the other end into my Mac. Here's the HDMI cable, so all I'm going to do is go and plug it in just like this. And then I'll go and plug the other end in. After you've plugged it in, then all you need to do is go and turn your monitor on. So I'll turn mine on now, and then hopefully it should go and start using the HDMI. Now you may need to go and choose the source of what your monitor is using if you've got multiple connections, but hopefully mine should automatically detect that I've plugged in the HDMI, and just like that it has. So on the side of your monitor or the bottom, you can always go and change the source as well. So luckily mine automatically detected the HDMI, but it may not. And on your Mac, as you can see, it's now sort of changed just to go and fit the size of the monitor as well. At the moment, my screens are just being duplicated, but you may want to go and change that to extend. It's much more useful. So to do that, you'll need to go and open up your settings on your Mac, which I'll do now. Open them up, and then all you need to do is go down to Displays. And in Displays, where it says Use As, go over to the right to where it says Mirror. Just click on it and press Stop Mirroring. And then, as you can see, it now says Use As, and I can go and choose Main Display, or I can go and change it to Extended Display. So yeah, that's literally it, guys. You can go and choose between the two, or you can duplicate it. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like.